Hi there.
Hello. How are you?
I am great, thanks.
Me too. Very good.
Is this your first time?
No, I come often.
Do you like this beach?
Yes, I love it.
Is the sand nice?
Yes, very soft.
Is the water warm?
Yes, just right.
Are the waves big today?
Yes, very big.
Do you swim often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you have sunscreen?
Yes, SPF 50.
Can I use some?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Do you have sunglasses?
Yes, on my head.
Are they good ones?
Yes, very good.
Do you have a towel?
Yes, on the sand.
Do you have a ball?
Yes, beach ball.
Can we play together?
Yes, let us play.
Is the ball yours?
Yes, it is mine.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, very much.
Can you dive?
Yes, I can dive.
Is diving fun?
Yes, very fun.
Do you surf?
No, not yet.
Is surfing hard?
Yes, quite hard.
Do you see seagulls?
Yes, many seagulls.
Are they noisy?
Yes, a little noisy.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, rainbow one.
Is there shade there?
Yes, come join me.
Do you have a cooler?
Yes, right here.
Is there cold water?
Yes, very cold.
Can I have some?
Yes, here you go.
Do you have snacks?
Yes, some fruit.
Is the fruit fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Is the beach crowded?
No, not today.
Is that good?
Yes, very peaceful.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, 10 minutes away.
Did you walk here?
Yes, just walked.
Is walking good?
Yes, very healthy.
Is the sky blue?
Yes, perfectly blue.
Are there any clouds?
Just a few clouds.
Is it windy?
A little bit windy.
Is the wind nice?
Yes, very refreshing.
Is the sand hot?
Yes, a little hot.
Do you walk barefoot?
Yes, I love it.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Do you see any fish?
Yes, in the water.
Are they colorful?
Yes, very colorful.
Is the water clear?
Yes, crystal clear.
Is the ocean beautiful?
Yes, absolutely beautiful.
Do you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Is your phone waterproof?
Yes, it is.
Do you swim far?
No, stay near shore.
Is that safer?
Yes, much safer.
Is the beach clean?
Yes, very clean.
Do you pick up trash?
Yes, always I do.
Do you love nature?
Yes, very much.
Is this beach popular?
Yes, very popular.
Do tourists come here?
Yes, many tourists.
Is it busy in summer?
Yes, very busy.
Do you prefer quiet beaches?
Yes, I do.
Is today quiet?
Yes, perfectly quiet.
Do you feel relaxed?
Yes, very relaxed.
Is the breeze nice?
Yes, perfectly nice.
Do you hear the waves?
Yes, very peaceful.
Do you see the horizon?
Yes, far away.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, so beautiful.
Are you tired now?
Yes, a little tired.
Shall we rest?
Yes, good idea.
Is the towel dry?
Yes, nice and dry.
Shall we sit down?
Yes, let us sit.
Is this spot good?
Yes, perfect spot.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, very happy.
Is this a good day?
Yes, perfect day.
Do you come every summer?
Yes, every summer.
Is summer your favorite?
Yes, my favorite season.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, I love it.
Shall we swim again?
Yes, one more time.
Is the water still warm?
Yes, still warm.
Shall we come tomorrow?
Yes, definitely yes.
Same time tomorrow?
Yes, same time.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow.